Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn page showcase pages with products, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn page showcase pages with products, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. From your home page, navigate to the Me icon at the top right corner. Click on View Profile from the drop-down menu. Once on your profile, locate the work icon in the top right corner. Select Manage beneath your company page. Find the company page for which you want to restore showcase pages and click on it. On the company page, look for the Showcase Pages section. If showcase pages were previously created, you may find an option to view or manage them. Select the showcase page you wish to restore. If the showcase page is archived or disabled, there should be an option to reactivate it. Click on the reactivation option and follow any prompts that appear on the screen. If the page is not visible, you can create a new showcase page by selecting Create a Showcase Page. Fill out the required fields, including the name and description of your products. Customize the URL for easier access by including keywords relevant to your showcase. Add a banner image that represents your products effectively. After filling out all the necessary information, click on Publish to make the page live. To add products to your showcase page, navigate to the Products section on your page. Select Add Product to begin the entry process. Fill in the product details, including the name, description, and any applicable media. Be sure to include links to the product pages for direct access. After entering the product information, click on Save to save the changes. Repeat the product addition process for all products you wish to showcase. Once you have added all your products, review the showcase page for accuracy and coherence. Finally, ensure that your showcase page is linked prominently on your main company page for easy visibility. Keep your showcase pages updated with new products and information to engage your audience consistently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.